Hello student, let us continue exercise 7.2. Now we discuss example 10. If the point A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of P. Now we draw a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Opposite side of parallelogram are equal and parallel. Let ABCD is a parallelogram. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect to each other. This means OB equal to OD and OA equal to OC. So O is the midpoint of diagonal AC and BD. Now formula of midpoint, coordinate of midpoint x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect to each other. Point O is the midpoint of diagonal AC and BD respectively. Coordinate of midpoint of AC is equal to coordinate of midpoint of BD. Now by midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2. So we write 6 plus 9 upon 2. 6 plus 9 upon 2. 1 plus 4 upon 2. 1 plus 4 upon 2 is equal to B is the midpoint of BD. So x1 plus x2 upon 2 mean P plus 8 upon 2. P plus 8 upon 2. 2 plus 3 upon 2. 2 plus 3 upon 2. Now 6 plus 9, 15, 15 upon 2, comma 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. Bracket close, equal to 8 plus P upon 2. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 upon 2. On both sides, y coordinate are equal. Now comparing x coordinate on both sides. 15 upon 2 equal to 8 plus P upon 2. By cross multiply, we get 15 equal to 8 plus P. Transpose of 8 to the left hand side, change with its sign, that is minus 8. So we write P equal to 15 minus 8. P equal to 15 minus 8. P equal to 7. This is your required value. Now do question number 1 to 5 as same as your example 6 to 10. Now we discuss question number 6 of exercise 7.2. Question number 6. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6, 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. If A, B, C, D are the vertices of a parallelogram, this is your parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect to each other. This means OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. Coordinate of midpoint x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. ABCD is a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect to each other. So O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. And opposite side of parallelogram are equal and parallel. Now we repeat again. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect to each other. Point O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Now coordinate of midpoint of AC is equal to coordinate of midpoint of BD. Now we write midpoint formula x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 plus x2 upon 2. So 1 plus x upon 2. y2 plus y1 plus y2 upon 2. So we write 2 plus 6 upon 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 upon 2. 5 plus y upon 2. Now 1 plus x upon 2 as it is. 2 plus 6, 8 upon 2 equal to 3 plus 4, 7 upon 2, comma 5 plus y upon 2. Now comparing the coordinate on both sides. Now comparing x coordinate, 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2. And now comparing y coordinate on both sides, 8 upon 2 equal to 5 plus y upon 2. 8 upon 2 means 4. 4 equal to 5 plus y upon 2. 4 equal to 5 plus y upon 2. Now 1 plus x is equal to 7 upon 2 multiply 2. 2 cancel, we get 1 plus 7 equal to 1 plus x equal to 7. Similarly 5 plus y is equal to 4 multiply 2. Multiply 2. 4 to the 8. 5 plus y equal to 8. Now x is equal to 7 minus 1. X equal to 6. X equal to 7 minus 1. X equal to 6. And y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y is equal to 8 minus 5. Y equal to 3. This is your required value. Now we discuss question number 7. Find the coordinate of the point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and coordinate of B is 1, 4. Coordinate of B is 1, 4 and coordinate of center is 2, -3. Now we find the coordinate of point A. Let coordinate of point A be x1, y1. P be the midpoint of diameter AB. AB is the diameter of the circle. So P is the midpoint of AB. AP is a radius. BP is also a radius. So AP equal to BP. Then we say that P is the midpoint of AB and P is also center of circle. Now let A x1 y1 and B 1 4 by midpoint formula. X equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now value of x is 2 equal to x1 plus 1, x1 plus 1 upon 2 and value of y is -3, y1 plus 4, y1 plus 4 upon 2. Now cross multiply on both sides, 2 to the 4, 4 equal to x1 plus 1 and -3 into 2 -6 is equal to y1 plus 4. Now x1 is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. x1 equal to 3 and y1 is equal to -6 minus 4, -6 minus 4 minus 10, y1 equal to -10. Hence coordinate of A is 3, -10. Hence coordinate of A is 3, -10. This is your required answer. Now do exercise 7.2 in your fair notebook. Thank you.